30 acres prime residential development land in Glendale Heights, St. Owen, just 15 minutes from Westgate, Montego Bay, St. James. The property boasts breathtaking views of the ocean and the city of Montego Bay, while it is surrounded by other established communities and housing developments, making it ideal for Montego Bay's next major housing development. This property offers endless possibilities, just 20 minutes from Fairview, with all major amenities and less than 30 minutes from the airport. Call, email, or WhatsApp agent to take advantage of this amazing opportunity.